is 14 runs. No wickets have been lost. एक ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 14 रन बिना किसी विकेट के नुकसान पर. Mithul is the new bowler. Will be bowling the second over. A quick single there. Defends the ball well there. It's high up in the air, but there will be a fielder there. Let me tell you, this is Ancient Secret Leash Therapy presents ICPL Season 8, powered by A&H Capital. Food sponsor Siddhi Diamonds, co-sponsor Travelers. Other co-sponsors Sri Sava Finexpert, NR Door. Score is 18 runs after that single. A thick edge there, but is safe there. The match is between Team Meltwater Events Excellence and Team Cheda Aluminium Sunshine. Once again, it's high up in the air, but comfortably, and good running between the wickets there. One more delivery to go. Ashutosh is on strike now. He hits it hard. Force signal by the umpire, which means it's a Sanjeev Designer Studio ka stylish chauka. A good shot there. And with that, over number 2 comes to an end. At the end of 2 overs, the score is 23 runs. No wickets have been lost. 2 over की समाप्ति पर score है 23 बिना किसी wicket के नुकसान पर. Ankit is the new bowler. He'll be bowling the third over for his team. Swing and miss there, right into the keeper's hand. Good ball to start the over with. This is Ankit. Full toss delivery. There's a fielder there. Takes a great catch. And that is an early blow. That is a Gadla wala wicket. Batsman ko sula dala. First wicket in the third over of this match. And with that wicket, the score is 23 runs at the loss of 1 wicket. अच्छा डिफेंसिव शॉट वहां पर. Once again, and another player departs. Early departure for this. That is a Gadla wala wicket. Batsman ko sula dala. That's 2 wickets in quick succession, and with that wicket, the score is 23 runs at the loss of 2 wickets. And 2 more deliveries to go. This is turning out to be a great over. 2 dot balls and 2 wickets. He is the bowler who turns it around for you. Feel the pressure now. Defends it well there, and this is turning out to be a great over. 3 dot balls and 2 wickets. And that's a maiden over with 2 wickets. A really good over by Ankit there. And after 3 overs, the score is 23 runs at the loss of 2 wickets. A much needed over for Team Excellence. Really good bowling there by Ankit. Vatika is the new bowler. She'll be bowling the 4th over for her team. अच्छा शॉट वहां पर, and that is a mind flicks holiday maximum. Timed it so well. Much needed boundary there after that over. Once again, he striked it. And that's the Sanjeev Designer Studio का stylish चौका. बहुत ही बढ़िया shot वहाँ पर, bringing his team back into the game. Straight down the ground, but there's a fielder there. It'll be a dot ball. 3 more deliveries to go in this over. No ball signaled by the umpire. So Lone Bazaar का extra run मिलके बनाए cricket को fun. Dead ball signaled by the umpire. 3 more legal deliveries to be bowled in this over. White signaled by the umpire. एक और लोन बाजार का extra run. High up in the air, didn't get the timing right there. Will hit the turf net above him. Another dot delivery. Strikes it hard, but the fielder does exceptionally well there. Really good fielding there. Saves 4 important runs for his team. 1 last delivery to go in this over. Really good ball there. Will get a single to keep his strike. And with that, over number 4 comes to an end. 4 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 36, 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर. At the end of 4 overs, the score is 36 runs at the loss of 2 wickets. Ankit is back in action, a really good over. He bowled a maiden over. Really close there. Tricks the batsman completely there. Ankit will try to add pressure. Four more deliveries to go in this over. A direct hit would have done the job, but get the strike there. Really good wicket keeping there, and with that, there's another Gadla wala wicket. Nia Parekh departs. And with that, over number 5 comes to an end. Once again, an incredible over by Ankit there. And after 5 overs, the score is 39 runs at the loss of 3 wickets. 5 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 39, 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर. Chirag is the bowler. Swing and miss there, right into the keeper's hand. A good ball once again. The fielder does well. Will restrict the team to just a single there. What a delivery there. The batsman had to defend his wicket. Tie up in the air once again. एक single मिलेगा वहाँ पर.
Good morning, Pradeep. How are you feeling? Top of the world. And seeing all these players sweating it out in the heat.
Just one more delivery to go.
Energetic. It's going to be an electrifying contest. Can't wait for the match to start. We're all set.
And with that single, over number 6 comes to an end. At the end of 6 overs, the score is 43 runs at the loss of 3 wickets.
It's going to be an exciting contest of cricket.
Team Excellence have been really tired with their bowling there. Not given a lot of runs. Around 7.17 is the current run rate. Mithun bowling the 7th over. White ball to start the over with, which means it's a lone bazaar ka extra run. Mil ke banaye cricket ko fun. What a shot there. No fielder can save that. And that is the Sanjeev Designer Studio ka stylish chauka. He hit it so well there. There's a fielder there and he takes it. Burhan departs after that boundary. Sunny. Sunny taking a great catch there at the boundary line. Really comfortable. They'll try to go for a few boundaries in the final overs to get that target. Tried to go big there, didn't get the timing he would have liked. But we'll bring back Ashutosh on strike. He's scored 22 runs in 20 deliveries. He's been that consistent batter for his team. White ball signaled by the umpire, which means it's a lone bazaar ka extra run. White ball signaled by the umpire. Giving out extras is gifting runs to the team. Just get a single there. Good ball there. 2 more deliveries to go in this over. We'll have to be satisfied with just a single. 1 more delivery to go in this over. This is the 7th over. What a shot there. We'll find a fielder there. Really good fielding there. And with that single, over number 7 comes to an end. At the end of 7 overs, this 54 runs at the loss of 4 wickets. Sunil is the new bowler. He'll be bowling.
15 रन का स्कोर एक ओवर के बाद आयुष सैंडी का स्टांस देखिए जिस तरह से वो बॉल को हिट कर रहे हैं काफी मंजूर है खिलाड़ी लग रहे हैं वापस आगे बढ़ने वाला वापस से दूर मारने की कोशिश पर इस बार फील्डर के हाथों में दे बैठे हैं गेंद को ये है एक और
Rayak Kunjal on strike. We'll try to go for a few maximums now. Because now is the time.
पर बैट्समैन को सुला डाला खूबसूरत ब्रेक
Acha shot वहाँ पर, and that is a mind flick solid A maximum. What a shot by Kunjal there. A spectacular shot there. Mindflex Holiday Maxim, and
बॉलर की लाइन में बीच
this time he'll have to depart.
में aggressively attack करता
He's not that happy, but really good fielding. What a catch at the boundary line, and that is a Gadla wala wicket. Batsman को सुला डाला.
नहीं दे रहे हैं बॉलर यहाँ पर वापस से run बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे
The score is 61 at the loss of 5 wickets. 3 more balls to go in this over, the final over of the first innings.
आगे बढ़ के मारने की कोशिश डाउन द लेग साइड फील्डर मौजूद एक रन से संतुष्ट होना पड़ेगा आखिरी गेम प्रेम फेस करेंगे
Ashutosh gets the strike, and he'll face the final 2 deliveries. Can he score
जगल किया बॉल
a couple of boundaries to take
रिस्की रन हो सकता
the
था
team to a good score? The score right now is 62 runs at the loss of 5 wickets.
खत्म करेंगे ओवर को 17 for 1 after 2 overs
White ball signal by the umpire. Lone Bazaar का extra run मिलके बनाए cricket को fun. One more delivery to go. अच्छा शॉट वहां पर, and with that, that is a Mindflex Holiday Maximum. Really good shot. And after 8 overs, the score is 70 runs at the loss of 5 wickets. 8 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 70 runs 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर. This is Ancient Secret Leech Therapy presents ICPL Season 8. This is the spirits are exceptionally high. This is just the start of 2 more days of action of ICPL Season 8.
ये देखिए ऐसा लग रहा है ये काफी दूर रेंज से अंपायर का पैसा लोन बजा का एक पल्ला खींचते हुए नजर आते हुए ये देखिए इस बार ऊंचाई ज्यादा
अच्छा ओके तो आप
और मिलेगा
बॉलिंग में देखिए दोबारा
लेकिन काफी लोग इंस्पायर्ड
This match is between Team Meltwater Events Excellence and Cheda Aluminium Sunshine. Team Excellence won the toss and they decided to field first. The first delivery races down the boundary line. There's a fielder there. Will get a single. Ankit, the exceptional bowler from the first innings, will be on strike now. A rotating strike there, which is a good thing. It's hit hard on the side nets. We'll get another single. 68 runs required and 45 deliveries. This is going to be a tight contest. The initial overs will decide the rhythm of the match. Another single, so that's 4 consecutive singles. They're starting it slow, but starting it steadily. A direct throw would have done it, but 5 singles. Ankit is on strike now. No signal by the umpire और mind flick solid aim maximum. Lone Bazaar का extra run with a mind flick solid aim maximum. A delight for team excellence. That delivery. A good ball after that. And after the first over, the score is 13 runs. No wickets have been lost. एक ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 13 रन बिना किसी विकेट के नुकसान पर. बहुत ही बढ़िया स्टार्ट टीम एक्सीलेंस के लिए. 58 रन्स रिक्वायर्ड इन 42 डिलीवरीज. बहुत ही टाइट मैच हो सकता है ये.
मैच को अपनी तरफ खींच लिया था, बट एक दो अच्छे शॉट्स मारे निखिल ने, क्विक रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट की, जिससे मोमेंटम वापस काफी बैलेंस हो चुका है. वी स्टिल डोंट नो वेयर दिस मैच इज गोइंग. अच्छा बॉलिंग निधि के द्वारा वापस से आगे बढ़ के मारे. इस बार थोड़ी ऊंचाई ज्यादा, नेट पर लग के बॉल.
बहुत ही अच्छी डिलीवरी वहां पर. डॉट बॉल टू स्टार्ट दी ओवर विद.
अपने बैक पे जर्सी नंबर 18 लिखते हैं, रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज भी डबल हो जाती है.
एक सिंगल मिलेगा. They're at a steady rhythm.
आगे बढ़ के जोर से मारने की कोशिश लेग साइड की तरफ.
What a delivery there. They need dot deliveries to put some pressure on Team Excellence because they've had a good start to the match. 13 runs in the first over. Now the score is 14. White ball signaled by the umpire. Lone Bazaar का extra run मिल के बनाए क्रिकेट को फन.
White ball. लोन बाजार का एक्स्ट्रा रन.
एक और.
काफी टाइम लेकर बॉल डाली, बट काफी टाइम लेकर डाली, जिसकी वजह से बाकी की गेंदें के लाइन जो है वो काफी मेंटेन.
A unique bowling action there by Hussain. 2 more deliveries to go. Really tricking the batsman there.
33 for 4. 4 और ओवर का गेम बाकी.
What a catch! And that is a Gadla wala wicket. Batsman को सुला डाला. He's all smiles. Exceptional catch there.
फाइटिंग टोटल देगी टीम वर्क को चेस करने के लिए.
He had to squat down to take that catch. One more over to go in this over. Mithun is the new batsman. White ball signaled by the umpire. लोन बाजार का एक्स्ट्रा रन मिल के बनाए क्रिकेट को फन. एक अच्छा शॉट वहां और इसी के साथ एक और सिंगल मिलेगा. After 2 overs, the score is 19 runs at the loss of 1 wicket. 2 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 19 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. $52 required. Really good running there. So 51 required in 35 deliveries. What a match this is turning out to be. Which way will this match go? The captain setting up his field. Ashraf, the captain, runs back to the boundary line and we're all set. What a delivery there. It's really close to the stumps there. Batsman didn't have an answer to that delivery. Where's my choke? See the bowler. एक सिंगल मिलेगा उन्हें वहां पर. 50 रिक्वायर्ड इन 33 डिलीवरीज.
रन रेट मेंटेन करके रखने टीम एक्सपोनेंशियल ने. टीम वर्क ने भी काफी अच्छा कंट्रोल किया है और
अच्छी फील्डिंग वहां पर.
वापस से बैकफुट में जाके स्विंग किया पर इस बार कंप्लीटली मिस किया. टाइमिंग थोड़ी सी ऑफ थी.
Good running between the wickets, but the required run rate is now 9.48. 49 required and 31 deliveries with one more ball to go. एक अच्छा shot वहां पर, but the captain couldn't quite hold on to the ball. A lifeline for team excellence. And इसी के साथ over 3 की समाप्ति. At the end of 3 overs, the score is 23 runs at the loss of 1 wicket. 3 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 23, 1 विकेट की नुकसान पर.
इस बार भी 1 रन से संतुष्ट होना चाहिए. मुझे लगता है आयुष थोड़ा ज्यादा जोर से मारने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन थोड़ी सी और टाइमिंग अगर उनको मिल गई, जैसे कि ये क्लियर शॉट माइंडलेस हॉलीडेज का सुपर 6 आपको ट्रायल सकने की उड़ान. ब्यूटीफुल बैटिंग.
What a shot there. That is a mind flick. Holiday maximum. Nia Parekh is the bowler. Score goes to 29. What a shot there. A mind flicks. Holiday maximum. 2 quick sixes. Two consecutive boundaries and the pressure starts coming. It's a game of pressure now. Who handles it better? They change the field setup there. Looks like the strategy worked there. A dot delivery after those 2 sixes. Tries to go big once again. But the captain does exceptionally well, saving 3 runs for his team. It's quite sunny as well, not the easiest to hold on to the ball. White ball signaled by the umpire. Lone Bazaar का extra run मिल के बनाए cricket को fun. एक अच्छा shot वहां पर. Ashraf can't do much there. 6 runs, a mind flick, Holiday maximum. What a shot there. Really bringing down this required run rate. 28 required and 25 deliveries now. And इसी के साथ over 4 की समाप्ति. At the end of 4 overs, the score is 43 runs at the loss of 1 wicket. 4 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 43. 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. 43. Required 28 in 24 deliveries. Required run rate 7 runs per over. Excellence look a little ahead in this contest now after that over. A single to start the over with. They'll have to control the game now. Good running between the wickets. They can rotate strike. They don't need to take risks there. Wisma is the bowler. एक अच्छा शॉट वहां पर. बहुत ही कंफर्टेबली एक सिंगल मिलेगा उन्हें. इसी के साथ फिर से स्ट्राइक रोटेट करेंगे. The required run rate just over 7. A direct throw, but the batsman is comfortably in. They'll have to be careful with the fielding set up like that, and with great fielding, you have to be faster. एक अच्छा शॉट वहां पर, बट सिर्फ एक सिंगल मिलेगा उन्हें. एक आखिरी डिलीवरी इस ओवर के लिए. पांच ओवर की समाप्ति. At the end of 5 overs, the score is 49 runs at the loss of 1 wicket. 22 required in 18 deliveries. 22 रन की आवश्यकता 18 गेंदों में. रिक्वायर्ड रन रेट अब 7.33 है. We'll have to turn it around some way. A few wickets will do it for them. Well, let's see. Really good ball there. Thought it was an edge. Tries to confirm with the batsman. Not out is the umpire's signal. It's turning out to be a good over. Really putting the body on his line there, the bowler. एक अच्छा शॉट वहां पर. Mind flicks holiday maximum. What a shot there by Chinmay. उनका स्कोर 28 runs 18 गेंदों में. Another good shot there by Chinmay. Rotating strike there after that boundary. 14 runs required in 13 deliveries. It's still tight. What a shot with that 6. Mindflix holiday maximum. The score is 63 runs at the loss of 1 wicket. 6 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 63 runs 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. 8 runs required in 12 deliveries. They are in the front seat now. They've batted really well. Eight runs required in 12 deliveries. White ball signaled by the umpire. Lone Bazaar ka extra run. This is what pressure does to you. It's high up in the air. Really good throw there. Very close. And Chinmay departs. Can this turn it around? A Gadla wala wicket. Batsman ko sula dala. Can this turn it around for Team Sunshine? Adding drama in the final moments of this match. 7 required in 11 deliveries. Seven required in 11 deliveries. White ball signaled by the umpire. He's asking for the ball quickly. Lone Bazaar ka extra run wahan par. Good running between the wickets there. They're setting up the field up high now. They'll try to block that single. Pallavi will be facing a first delivery. Mithun has also batted really well in this match. He scored 20 runs of 12 deliveries. Score right now is 66. And that is a Gadla wala wicket. The player departs. 2 wickets in this over. Kunjal. 5 required in 9 deliveries. 5 run की आवश्यकता 9 गेंदों में. Darshil is the new batsman. Can he take it home for his team? Really good batting by Darshil there. Not taking that risk, rotating strike. Brings back Mithun on strike. He's been great with the bat.
ऑलमोस्ट बीट किया बैटर को, कंफ्यूज थे लेकिन इजी सिंगल। नॉन स्ट्राइकर के लिए थोड़ा रिस्की हो सकता था अगर बॉल उस तरफ जाती, पर ये क्लीन सिंगल। अंकित बैक ऑन स्ट्राइक। आगे बढ़ के मारने की कोशिश,
एक अच्छा शॉट वहां पर, एंड विद दैट मैक्सिमम मिथुन finishes off in style.
अंपायर ने कहा नो बॉल। लेन बाजार का एक
And Team Excellence have won the match with that incredible shot. A mind flick holiday maximum. Their first win for the day.
नो बॉल था, तो विकेट नहीं आएगा।
Really